What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and we made it to our first car show with our new interior. Thank you to our sponsors Color Bond Paint and 742 Marketing. It is hot out here, but look at this interior. It looks amazing. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look at that. And shout out to Jolene for coming through. Say hi.
Hi.
Want to plug in your Instagram real quick?
At Jolene, Juhl, 5 E's N.
Thanks for coming through. High five.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Beyond with Bay, we're gonna start a series pretty soon, start vlogging all that. Get that in. Well,
Turn your car back on.
we're gonna turn the car back on and get onto it. Wait in this line. Let's go. Alright. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it says it's hot. It says it's hot. Alright guys, let's continue the staging. Alright guys, we're finally staged with Bay. We have Sally ready, all cleaned up and ready to go. We'll take off the hood as soon as we do start the show tomorrow. But we're already staged. Check her out. This logo makes me so happy. Look at this. Bam! We're gonna have to polish this and probably cut it one more time. Same thing with the wing, but that blue carbon fiber really brings everything out. Alright, we're gonna go to eat. Where are we gonna eat?
Sugarfish.
We're gonna sugarfish?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Woohoo!
What are you gonna get?
I don't know.
You haven't decided?
No. Maybe I should look. Maybe I should see what's pretty on their Instagram.
What's pretty on Instagram?
I'll find one and then I'll order that.
I like this background right here. You like self and stuff?
Do they still have this one? You want boba?
Oh yeah. So what is this now? Show me this real quick.
It's a mozzarella sausage dog with ketchup, cheese sauce, rolled in whatever sugar stuff.
Okay.
I'm scared it's gonna explode in my mouth. It's hot.
Yeah, hot. Okay,
Yeah,
too
hot.
soon? Okay, wait. Come back. Bomb?
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Okay. send it. Alright.
I think you'll get
First try.
It's hot. It's hot. Careful, dude. Woo! Yeah, all the cheese. Yummy?
Come on. It's like a sweet and cheesy.
Where's the sausage part? In the bottom?
Did we get a sausage? At the bottom, that's delicious. Alright, babe, so we had our... What is that? Hot dog?
The corn dog?
So we had our first corn dog. I don't know, that was crazy. Combination of sweet, sour, not sour, sweet and delicious. Yeah, it was delicious. Good morning, guys. Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, also with Jolene. We just made it here to the convention center for Wekfest 2019 SoCal. So, we're gonna set up and head into the show. So, let's go. Whoop, whoop. Here is Sally. Whoop, whoop. Hey, it doesn't look that bad. You're like, what are you talking about? What do you mean?
Okay.
Alright, we gotta get set up now. So here, guys, we're here with Sally. Now we're gonna get set up, check out the head, set everything up, probably pop the trunk right here a little bit so you can see all the hard work we can put into the sanding and painting of the blue carbon fiber. So let's get to it, guys. Okay guys, now Sally's all set up. We just want to flex real quick our magazine feature from Option Magazine. We have a little bit of things. We already do have our card that's filled out that has all of our description and everything that we have here. So, Sally's set up. I'm going to give one more quick wipe down, make sure everything is solid. You can see everything that we need to have. Trunk setup is looking beautiful. Shout out to Concept Customs for helping out and painting this rear trunk. And also our interior right here, as you can see. All the parts that we wanted in blue came out perfect. Black and blue combination is really beautiful. Look at that. Especially our carbon fiber blue. Great job. We're gonna have to cut off this one more time. I'm happy with the paint, but as far as the finish, I wanted a little bit more of a mirror finish, so we're on the way. So let's get to it. What's going on, guys? We're right here with Joe. We're gonna check out his clean 370Z. So, what's up, bro? I want to introduce yourself real quick.
How you doing? My name is Joe. I'm Cherry Bomb Nismo, and this is my 370Z.
Right.
I try to stick with a lot of Momo. Now I'm changing it up to a bunch of titanium. Trying to go for a cleaner look, especially living in Southern California.
Ooh.
It's just getting crazy.
Okay.
Used to have everything honeycomb, but so eventually I'm gonna swap out some of this to titanium, but eventually, I'm starting small with the bolts and oil cap, little basic, no big deal. But I'm getting the Barracks fenders, front bumper that's a little bit wider, like 10 millimeters wider, shaved emblem, and then the lip is going to be smoothed out, solid line. As you can see in Tony's, you can tell very clearly because it looks cleaner. It kind of rises up and down, but this new bumper is going to go straight across.
Clean.
With Momo, I bucket seats, Daytona, harnesses, steering wheel, the wheels, R1 Concepts big brake kit. Just right now, the bare swings and side screws. Trying to keep it clean and simple.
Love, man. Love your Z, dude. It's like really flows everything together. What's anything you want to tell about the Z? How long you had it?
Had it for 3 years. Plan on keeping it forever. Just going for a Verismo look. Ferris hood, fenders, side skirts in the wing, and then keeping the Nismo bumpers. I really like the Nismo look. A lot of people like to upgrade from the base to the Nismo bumpers, but I think what I'm trying to do is a little different than everybody else. I like coming to car shows and doing stuff different.
Nice, man. What are your future plans for the Z? I don't know.
Maybe eventually bag it and wide body, but then after that it'd be straight weekend. Right now it's my daily driver, so I gotta keep it function.
Love the build, man. We'll check it out. We'll do some close-ups, some beauty shots of it right now. All sick. I like how you're displaying it right here in the windshield, dude. It's clean. Yeah, sick, dude. I know I had problems too with the Wekfest on the bottom.
They told me to go to the table, but they said they were sold out.
Oh, alright then.
You have the Wekfest, the worst one.
I was there for like a minute, dude. I was like, well, I guess I'll just leave like that. Oh, what is this right here? This is like a, what's that, shifter?
Vertex, turn signal extension.
Oh, so what is that now?
That is the Vertex turn signal extension. Basically for people that have a deep dish, I don't, but you're able to maneuver it closer to the steering wheel or further back. And basically,
I get it now. That's clean. No, that's a good idea. That's clean, man.
I know you can find them on eBay, but decided to go with someone legit.
Oh, the bag of drugs. Sick, dude. Every time I see this roll cage, like this back part, I really want to get set up like that, something like that, dude. That smells good. Is that a hint of Steven? Well, yeah, sick build, man. I love it, dude.
Thank you.
We're gonna do a quick little walk around of everything else, check it all out. But we'll get a full depth interview with your Z later, man. We'll do a photo shoot and all that. You down? Let's do it, man. All right. All right. Want to give yourself an introduction real quick? Tell me about your build.
My name's Angel Guape. I have a 2013 370Z. So to tell you a little bit about it, it has a custom wide body, 1-of-1 kit, supercharged, and we pretty much full roll cage, everything on the interior done, and pretty much all the carbon pieces you can get onto the car.
How long have you had the car for?
So I've had it going on 4 years now. So this will be completing our 4th year with it, and this is like the 7th change that we've gone through, like full color change.
Nice. Do you have any other future modifications or anything you want to name off right now?
Yeah, so future mods, we're looking at motor. Probably gonna take out the supercharger and the whole BQ engine, and we're gonna go maybe LS swaps.
Woo!
Yeah, some type of LS motors, some type of turbo kit on it, some type of force injection, something like that. As far as the actual car itself, it's pretty much done now. I mean, we're not gonna mess with it too much body-wise. So yeah.
Sick, dude.
Yeah.
Do you have any sponsors you want to shout out real quick? Or?
Yeah, so I work a lot with Voodoo Ride on detail products, best tire shop, any tire needs. Fly One Motorsports for most of my car bin, and I mean that's about it.
Sick, dude.
Yeah.
You want to show? Let's check it out real quick. Point out.
Let's go through this stuff with you.
Let's check out the engine right now, man. Oh, I'm assuming you eat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's a full Stillen supercharger kit from Stillen, and custom intake, manifold, custom wide pipe, the charge pipe, blow up valve we added into there. We've done all the fuel stuff, so injectors, fuel rail, whole fuel system's changed.
Sick. How many pounds of boost are you running?
It's on 13 pounds of boost right now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, I didn't catch you. How much horsepower are you running too?
It's 380 solid.
Oh,
yeah,
sick.
Healthy, yeah, healthy 380.
Oh man, clean.
And this is on like a street, street tune. Nothing too aggressive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I still drive the car a lot, so I don't want to do it too much.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. You want to have that reliability and have that little fun with it too, you know?
Sure.
Sick, man. Want to take us through the interior and all that?
Yeah, let's check it out. Interior-wise, we have 2 different brides. So mine is the VO, and hers is the XL version of it. Comfort for her, more track for me.
There you go.
So yeah, I had to make sure she's comfortable too.
And then last year you ripped out the passenger seat. I was like, yo,
Yeah.
how can I go on a ride along now?
Right? up by acoustic.
Okay.
So it's a full Walden cage, not bolted. And so it's pretty much all track setup now. If you really wanted to take on a track, you could, I guess.
Sick, dude.
Yeah.
I love those boats, dude. That looks neat.
You did a really good job with the water.
Good work, dude. Dude, sick. We're gonna do a full interview and all that stuff.
Yeah, sweet.
You know, we decided to do a little quickie, you know?
Yeah.
Get it going, man. Sick, dude. Love it, man. Well, yeah, want to shout out your Instagram real quick?
Yeah, so my Instagram is Watch Marvin. You can find me on there or on Facebook as well.
Alright.
Go check it out.
Hell yeah.
Some more pictures in the cart.
Alright, sick, man. Well, yeah, we'll catch you right now, man.
Cool, bro. Cool. Thank you.
Alright, man. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for Wekfest 2019 SoCal. How'd you have fun, babe?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, now after we load up, we're checking everything. We're checking the air-fuel ratio, messing with the wires and seeing what's going on. I think there was a misfire or something. We're running a little bit lean. We'll check it out before we head out. Right now, we have to make sure everyone's packed up before we all can leave the venue. From there, we're gonna go eat, what's it called, sugarfish? I think we're gonna eat some crab queen. It's just like boiling crab, so we'll check it out right now. Alright, see you guys there. Alright, babe, so we didn't go to the queen crab. How long was that wait?
Over an hour.
And we're really hungry, so
So we went to a really fancy place called the Palm Steakhouse.
full send, right? He looks so excited. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the newest videos. See you guys at the next episode. Peace.